Okay, so extensions auto update. This is not the same thing as auto check update. So the setting above checks for updates, and this setting actually automatically updates the extensions for you. Not exactly the same thing. So when enabled, automatically installs updates for extensions. The updates are fetched from a Microsoft online service. Now, this is obviously a good thing, but you want to know when you want to be you want to pay attention to when an extension updates, because uh, extension updates might change that extension's default settings, and some settings get deprecated, some settings get added, some settings have more options, and it's good to be aware of that so that you can keep your settings up to date, and that you make sure you stay on top of what exactly that extension does. And it's, by the way, it's the same thing with the VS Code updates as well. Sometimes VS Code update, for example, Emmet used to be an extension that you would install in VS Code, and then, or now, actually Emmet is built into VS Code. So it doesn't really make sense to have, to separately install the Emmet extension, because it's already one of the built-in extensions in VS Code. So, long story short, auto update is great, but pay attention to those updates, and particularly if they change any settings, what things were changed, what bug fixes happened, so that you stay on top of your game.